Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today, I'm so excited to share a closer look at our new lemonade collection. At the heart of the collection is our 12x12 collection kit. This kit includes one each of the 12 double-sided pattern papers. Featuring 20 different patterns and 4 journaling cards, this summer-inspired collection brings bright citrus color and refreshing charm to your creative projects. Perfect for scrapbooking sunny afternoons, backyard gatherings, or simply celebrating a love for cheerful summertime design, this collection is designed to help you tell stories that feel fresh, happy, and full of sweet summer moments. Also included in the collection kit is a 12x12 element sticker sheet that pairs perfectly with the papers. In addition to the collection kit, this collection also includes a coordinating solids pack, designed to perfectly match the color of the pattern papers. Don't you worry, all you card makers out there, we haven't forgotten you. This collection includes both our classic 6x6 pad, our 6x6 mega pad, and a 16-page sticker book. The patterns and elements in these paper pads have been perfectly scaled down, making them ideal for all your card making projects. Don't forget the embellishments with brads, enamel dots, chipboard, washi tape, puffy stickers, our classic ephemera, frames, and tags. This collection is packed with the perfect finishing touches. The tiny details in these illustrations are so fun to work with. This collection is seriously so cute from start to finish. Finally, we've used several of our favorite elements to create the dies, stamps, and stencils for this collection, featuring summer-inspired illustrations, playful icons, and versatile patterns. These tools allow you to add layer detail, dimension, and a custom touch to every project. Shop the Lemonade collection today at echoparkpaper.com.